In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post an announcement on Microsoft Teams. Posting an announcement is a great way to make sure important information stands out from regular messages in a channel. This is especially useful for team-wide updates, deadlines, policy changes, or anything you don't want people to miss. I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can start using announcements with confidence. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're in the correct team. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of your teams. Click on the team where you want to share your announcement. Inside each team, you'll see one or more channels, usually organized by topic, project, or department. Take a moment to choose the channel that makes the most sense for your message. For example, a general update might go in the General channel, while a project-specific change might belong in a dedicated project channel. Once you've decided, click on that channel to open it. At the bottom of the channel, you'll see the box where you normally type a message. To post an announcement instead of a regular message, look for the option that lets you change the message type. This is usually indicated by an icon or a small button near the message box. Click there, and from the options that appear, select Announcement. When you switch to announcement mode, the message box will change layout. You'll notice there's a title area at the top where you can type a clear, attention-grabbing headline. Use this to summarize your announcement in a few words, like upcoming maintenance downtime or new team guidelines. Below the title, you'll find the main body area where you can write out the full details of your message. Be as clear and specific as possible so your team understands what's happening, when, and what they need to do. Most announcement layouts also let you customize the background color or add a header image. This isn't required, but it can help your announcement stand out visually in a busy channel. Once you've written your title and message, take a moment to proofread, check dates or links, and make sure everything is accurate. When you're happy with your announcement, click the send button just like you would with a normal message. Your announcement will now appear prominently in the channel, making it easier for everyone to notice and read.